Guys, welcome to Virtu AI and Hybris technologies. Today I'm going to explain how to install Notepad++ in local machine. So let's see. Open browser, click here, Notepad++, download. So here I'm selecting the latest version. Click on download. It's a 64-bit software. Click on S. OK. Next. Accept license. Default it selected program files, which is 64-bit software directory. Next. Here I am also clicking on the checkbox related to localization. It's optional. If you want, you can select this option. Click on next. Click on this checkbox to create a shortcut key on desktop. Show installation details. Click on install. So guys, Notepad++ is one of the most popular and powerful open source code editor tool highly used in an IT industry, which ships with many features with its shortcut keys to make our work life very easy. So let's discuss about the features of Notepad++. By default, it supports multiple languages. It is simple and lightweight and faster. It can search and replace the words easily, and it is having tabbed interface. By using Notepad++, we can edit most of the files to read, to edit, and to update. We can increase or decrease the font size. We can also run the code using Notepad++. To validate the code, can also change the theme of Notepad++. It is also having the autocomplete feature. It is free and open source. It supports customization, means changing the themes like dark mode, etc. It supports plugins with the help of plugin manager. So guys, click on next. The installation is finished. Click on finish. Now, yeah, now we can see here the Notepad++ icon got displayed on desktop, as we have checked the checkbox related to the same while installing the Notepad++. So guys, Notepad++ is officially available only for Windows. Better suitable for lightweight editing than complex development. Means it is a simple editor, not an IDE. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.